While Samsung is already allowing customers to register their interest for its new Galaxy Note smartphone family, until now the company has not mentioned the new series name. Today, however, it's been discovered that several official Samsung websites have support pages for Galaxy Note 10 Plus model number SM N975F. Thus, Samsung is confirming what numerous leaks have been suggesting for quite some time. A Note 10 Plus will be released alongside a regular Note 10. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G schematics have been leaked by FCC, and this is it. The newly discovered Galaxy Note 10 Plus support pages can be seen at Samsung Romania, Samsung Slovakia, and other European websites. They do not reveal too many details about the upcoming smartphone, but they tell us the device runs Android 9 Pie, having variants with 256 GB and 512 GB of storage space.